Guys, we are back with your favorite person in the world, Nick Wells. Getting ready for the day, boys. Got the brews for the day, boys. Let's get it. Going for a rip in the good old musty. Cheer, boys. This thing's got some balls. The girlfriend's in that truck. Whoa, boys. We're going go-karting, boys. We just arrived in Kincardine with the boy and his Mustang. We're fucking having family fun, man. Gonna ride some go-karts, or we just ripped in the musty. So we got the whole day planned. Gonna go to the beach after this, and we're gonna get wasted, boys. Let's send it. Survived the ride in the Mustang. Now we're gonna ride some go-karts, boys.
We have to do this.
Just paying for the go-karts. We got them going. Getting ready to send it, boys. Yeah. And the go-kart, we got Buddy back there. Yeah, boy. No bumping my ass. Just waiting to get her started. We got Chatty back there. I was just ripping with these guys. Oh yeah, just ripping. Only car I got to drive. All right, we just got finished go-karting, so we're gonna end up going mini golfing, and then we're gonna head down to the beach, right, baby? Yeah, we're gonna go down to the beach and just send it down there with some claws, boys. Just got a large fry, a jumbo dog, a big old wiener. What a waste of an energy drink. All over the ground. Just got my jumbo wiener, and now we're gonna head out to Point Clark. Ain't that right, boys? On the way to Point Clark with my guy. Chill. Party's getting started now, boys. Woo! We out here at the water. We got the musty, and we got the other whitey over here. With the squad, we're gonna send it, boys. About to get the swimming started. Yeah. Chill. Look at that water. Beauty. The water's beautiful. That's my boy. Man over here thinks the water's too cold. What's too cold? Don't be a bitch.
Come back! Come back!
Oh, my balls! My balls are in my stomach! Ah!
What?
I jump off bridges that are 30 feet or 50 feet high.
That was cold, really cold. My balls are in my stomach. My lighter's fucked. Chill, boys!
You're the size of a peanut.
Come back! Oh.
Come on, you pussy, Travis.
Nice
Fucking
nice box.
Exactly.
Look at Eric fucking swimming like a pro over there.
Yeah, fuck.
Is that a dead body? It's a dead body in the water.
Oh, I gotta piss real bad after that.
Get back in the water. Go take a pee in the water.
Travis, go look over here.
Oh my god. What are you doing? She's videoing you. Are you peeing too?
No, I'm not peeing.
Oh, yeah, I got in the water. I'm like, oh. Yeah! Yeah, we got this guy over here. He got in the water with me. It ain't too cold, right, bro? Then we got this guy over here. Little pooner. Little pooner. Look at me. So, we just got to Point Clark White House. She got in the water a little bit there. She's freezing. My balls.
Lighthouse.
I said lighthouse. My balls went to my stomach, I swear. And then we got this guy right here, and he wouldn't even get in the water. Pussy! Point Clark White House. I'm just kidding. Point Clark White. You ever feel water so cold, bro?
Fuck, it is freezing.
Oh yeah, it is. Like, look at it. It looks so beauty though. You can even see the rocks through it and everything. Beach day. Got the beach day. We got my rainbow shorts. Happy Pride. Tell them where you're from, bro. Where you from? The cold water?
519 all the way.
519 all the way. We got a dolphin out here. That's how we do. Whoa! Ho ho ho! Not as bad as the second time, but ho ho ho! Yeah! That's Captain Morgan King. Yeah.
Nick, you look like Tarzan.
Tarzan! Oh!
Did you lock the truck?
Whoa! I'm good, boys. So guys, the Sea-Doos are out now and it's dope! Look, there's a Sea-Doo out there. There's some guy on a paddle thing out here standing up. And there's another Sea-Doo. Yeah! This is the life, boys, with the Sea-Doo with the back and all. This is the life to live. Get in the water, don't be a pussy. Got the stand-up paddleboard back here. Look at this thing. Crazy. I wouldn't do something like... You want me to eat a dead fish? Where's the dead fish? Oh, I see it down there in the water.
They're floating on top.
Floating on top. You want me to eat a dead fish? How much are you gonna pay me?
Well, it's for the
20 bucks? 20 bucks is 20 bucks, eh? Do it for the video. 500 likes and I'll eat one of these fish out the water over here. Right, Travi?
That's right.
500 likes. We'll do a wrap. Shit, boys. We're getting bored on the beach. We gotta get another drink. Like I said before, Travis, get in the water. So out here, we just got finished at Point Clark, boys. On to the next. Look at these Sea-Doos. We gotta get a complex Sea-Doo, right, babe? We gotta get a complex Sea-Doo? That was sick. Now we're on to the next spot, guys. Down to King Carden now. Chill. Rolling up on the squad here. We got Windex. Hey, Lindsay. Forrest. What's up, little man? You're looking a little pale, Joe, dude. Joe Dirt, you a little pale. So we're gonna get in the fucking water. We got the beach out here.
Get on the fucking
Look at this guy. See ya. Finally made it. The dolphin made it. You ain't no bitch. Did your nuts freeze when you went in there or what? Here with the beautiful squad. Chia, it's my boy. We got a little Windex over here. We got a little Travi. Beach days for the boys. I'm going in the boat.
What?
Ah! Wherever you're on the boat, we're gonna take a little rip. Yeah, boys, ascend it. Yeah. We got the squad. We got the boy back there with his drink. That's my boy. Woo! Yeah! We going across the border tonight, boys! We're crossing the border! We jumpers! We jumpers! We got him back there! We got enough seats! We just ran out of fuel and we're out in the middle of butt fuck, whatever! Say goodbye to us all! He thought we had enough fuel, but we are fucking stranded out here now. We ain't got enough fuel now. We gotta go back ourselves and paddle. We're out here to check this rock out so we can have fire on it. I don't think we're having a fire anymore, are we, bro?
Buddy's coming to save us. It's fine. He's saying, fuck you. He's gonna come.
We ran out of fuel. We got Buddy paddling. We got these two swimming with us. Holy shit, boys. We're almost back. He needs a breather. A little drink break. Don't drop that. We need that for the, the tube.
I'm gonna hook it up here.
Bro, we're so far away from the beach and we have no gas. Hey!
Pretty solid boat though, eh? It is. Wait, we'll go get some fuel. For what? 5 of us in here? Oh man, we've had...
My window. Nicker! Nicker!
Nigger! Yeah! We got a little Windex over here. We got a little Travi. Beach days for the boys.
How many clowns can you get in a boat?
All of them. There, babe.
Nick, you're gonna fuck your phone and lose all your videos.
I'm taking it with me.
That's what I mean.
What?
That's what I mean.
I'm gonna go fucking flying, babe.
I'm coming! Wait! Wait! I'm coming!
So the boys took the boat out, 4 adults on the boat and 1 in the tube, and now they ran out of gas. So they're pedaling their little asses back. Beaches for the boys.
And they can't go because you don't.
Shake your hair.
There's what?
Shake your hair.
Well, she shouldn't have agreed to look after her.
Looking out of breath.
I know.
What happened?
She shouldn't have signed up.
Oh gosh. We got the nuggets in. Yeah, the nuggets have arrived. We got chicken nuggets. Thank you, Sandra. Yeah. We got the nuggets and the fries. Cheers.
Clean, no sand.
And we're about to turn back the nuggets. Yeah. Scrumptious with the nuggets. The nuggets on the beach with Travis. He's got the McGangbang. I got the nuggets and cheer. Eat you knit, right brother. Cheer. Roxy, you miss it? Roxy, what are you doing? Roxy, come on, Roxy. Hey. Why?
Get on that boogie board.
Yeah, boys, so we just got back from Point Clark. It was dope. We went out swimming. The water was cold as balls, boys. It was fucking savage. I don't even know what to say. Now we're back.
Met up with the boy.
I just
dropped
dropped
the
my
drink.
beer
Dropped
all
the
over the
drink.
floor. Shit.
Man down.
Oh,
Man down. Recovered.
Recovered right here. Cheers!
Very good.
Are you starting it?
Yeah?
Alright, I hope you guys enjoyed that video. Hit that like and subscribe button. So now, thanks to the storm, we got an outside shower. She worked mint. Yeah, boys! Hit that subscribe button.